Hello everybody, this is Anna from Craft Me a Card, and I love crafting for the crafter. But today I have a small haul from Michael's. So I just want to go quickly over these things just for you to know what is out there and what I will be purchasing and working with. So first, these items here, everything was, all these items were buy one, get one 50% off. For some reason, Michael's has done away with allowing coupons from other stores to be applied at their store. And I'm trying, to get items 50% off from them, but they make it so hard. And so I haven't been able to, so I finally gave in and I bought 2 of everything. In this case, I want to work a little bit more on fall things, and I got this rusty hinge, which I did not have, and crackling campfire. So these are all Distress Oxide inks, which I so love. This is Rustic Wilderness. This is Tumbled Glass and Weathered Wood. Very similar. I want to see what difference they have with Speckled Egg. I want to see what difference there is in the tone of it. And I got Kitsch Flamingo. So also I want to see the difference between worn lipstick and spun sugar and picked raspberry. See where in the hues it is at. Okay, so those were 6. So I got buy one, get one 50% off of these. And for these guys, of course, I am addicted to Distress Oxide inks. These are also fall colors. I'm sorry for the banging. We're having some remodel done. But this is the only time I have to be able to record for you guys when everybody's at school and at work. Anyways, this one is Carved Pumpkin, Wild Honey, and Mustard Seed. And then as I was there, I came across these gorgeous inks. These are Dilutions, and they're like pearl shimmer spray, and I am so excited to try these out. They have a lot of like mica little particles, which I'm really excited to trying them out. So you will see me work with those as well. And also these paper pads. I'm going to be working on a project for the Lakers. So I bought these 2 to work on these. And these are good quality cardstock. And I like to just have these on hand to pull whenever I need them. I got these, and I thought these were really fun, these colors. These I don't think were 50% off if you buy one. But they did have some type of discount on them. So I went ahead and I grabbed these 3 packs, and I like that they have a nice variety. And again, I like the quality. And they run good through the Cricut as well. And then I got these paper pads. I like the colors on this one, that they were very vibrant and fun for some birthday cards for, throughout the year. And doesn't matter if I have them already, but I always get these colors. I just fall in love with them, and it just makes me feel good when I purchase them, just in thinking everything I can create with them. And I'm always using foil cardstock, so I thought that this was a good paper pad, and I want to experiment with these. These are smaller, and I was thinking, well, maybe it helps me in speeding up the process and cutting so much cardstock and having so much cardstock left over. So this way I don't have to worry about that, and they are already cut. These are 4.5 by 7 inches. So my cards are 6.5 by 5. So I'm thinking I only have to cut down the 7-inch side of it. So I just want to try these out. I usually don't go for this size, but I want to try out, see how well this size works for me. But we'll see. We'll see if this works for me or not. And last but not least are these here. These were buy one, get one 50% off, and this is the card base that I use for my cards. They come in a pack of 50 sets. It includes the card and the envelope. See the envelopes there, and I like the quality of the ivory color card base. The white one is a little flimsy, but the ivory color is good. So these are the ones that I just grab, put it through my printer, and then I work on my card. So I know someone asked me what card base and what size I use. This is it. This is actually my preference. This is what I prefer to use. And this is for a 6.5 by 5-inch card. It's not your smaller A2 size. This is, I think, an A7, something like that. But anyways, this is what I use, and this is all from Michaels. And that is all, my dears. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Just a small haul, and just to let you know what is out there and what you guys can purchase if you're interested. Anyways, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Kitish, kish, kish, kitish, kitch, quiche, quiche, quiche flamingo, I think. Okay, let me see how different you are. Eesh. Ah. Really, guys? Speckled egg. Oh, yeah. This is a lot grayer. Cool. Box looks about the same, but this is a lot grayer. This is speckled egg. Grass, tumbled glass. Oh, yeah, it's nice. It's more of a sky blue. Nice.